dear subscribers and those who just accidentally found this video and decided to watch it. Long time no see. I have good news. I have won a gift card from Highlightcrafts. Yoo-hoo! And I have decided to spend it immediately in their shop. Today I would like to show you what I have chosen for the craft product. At the end of this video you will see something very special and intriguing, I hope. A big thank you to Highlightcrafts for this marvelous prize. The first one is Craft Master Printable Acetate. I have already tried to print on them. The prints turned out magnificent. The next one is 2 Red Robin Circle Fancy Fundamentals die set. This set contains 17 ties. This is a Mindful Moodling Magnificent Moodala die set. It contains 2 ties. The next one is Tattered Lace A Ring of Wishes die set. This one contains 6 items. Such a beautiful and gorgeous die set. I'm so glad I have chosen these lovely ties. They're absolutely stunning for Christmas projects. You will find all the links to those lovely products in the video description below. Continuing, the next product is Tattered Lace Frozen Kisses die set. This set contains 1 die making 9 cuts. 8 of these begin delicate little snowflakes and the other a cute bell. This is 2 Red Robin's Crown of Antlers Silhouette die set. This set contains 6 dies. This collection of stacks in a variety of sizes looks regal and glorious, which I believe will be more than useful for building perspective in different projects. The next one is 2 Red Robin / Monstera die set. This contains 4 ties, such beautiful leaves. This is 2 Red Robins Nuts About You die set. It contains 1 die making 4 cuts. The plump acorns and ripe conquerors are extremely charming. The last one is 2 Red Robins Turning Heads die set. The 1 die makes 3 cuts. This is a stunning sunflower die, perfect for various projects. For example, this is the card where I use this sunflower die set and Circle Fancy Fundamentals die set. So I decided to make a giveaway of set of beautiful and colorful die cuts made with those dies from various cardstocks. All die cuts are the main prize in this giveaway. I will send them to the winner for free. All details you can find in the description below. Thanks for watching, take care, see you next time, bye bye!